Look at this. This is Willow Point parking area. Look. See down there? We're parked in water. Look at it gushing. Coming over the rocks. Excuse me, all back there. Watch. See the water coming over? See the... Watch, you'll be able to see more when we move, but look. See? This is the parking area today because of the wind. Look at that. We're parked in the water. Look at that. I don't think I've ever done a video to show it this rough. Look at that. And then come down here. Ooh, it stinks. Here's this way, all flooded up. Well, it's not really flooded, it's just high. But wait till we get down here, you'll see where it's flooded. See a little bit of water in the parking lot, or the driveway, but just wait. You'll see in a second.
Here's the way out.
Here's the driveway. And
along the edge, you'll find fish alongside.
But see the water in the driveway. Let's watch over here, guys, and maybe we can see some fish. This is all flooded. This is usually grass. Well, I've showed you guys this in a video before. Let's look and see if we can see some fish. See? Driving through water. See if we can see some fish. Oh, oh, right over there. See him? No, we're not gonna do it now. Oop. I don't know if I'm catching it in video or not. Oh, this area is all flooded again. There's swans. See them?
Oh yeah.
Way over there.
The little ones?
Yeah. Two little ones. Let me see if I can zoom in. See them, guys? Over there? Swans. Cool.
Yep, I see the
Yeah, they got little ones. But this whole area is flooded. Remember in videos past, I've showed you water in the grass and it flooded clear up into the trees. This is what this is, but today it's really bad. See how it goes clear up into the trees. Way up into the trees. It's been windy the last couple of days. So, anyways, guys, there you have today's video.